we're back in Toverland again. This is our second day because this is the second tour we're doing. And basically, we're going to do all the same things that we already did on the first day. So we're not going to repeat all of that. But we're going to show some new stuff that we missed on the first day. Like the parachute tower that is open today. So yeah, it was closed until last week where they were testing. And now it's open. So
it's been shut since August last year. It's now end of April. It's now back open. It was shut last week. It's really cool to see it up and running. It's a good little addition. It really is.
Actually better than I was expecting. I love it. I love it for a family drop tower. And I think it's perfect for this park that has a lot of family, a lot of kids.
It looks amazing as well.
Yes.
So well themed.
It has some good airtime. You have a good views of the park, depending on where you're seated. Yeah, it's really fun, especially for families.
I think it was a really good fit for the park. I really do.
The pre-show and the area of the pre-show is kind of like the other flat ride, Pixaros. It's nice how everything kind of fitting together on the area.
I think the whole, when they made Avalon Part 2 and you've got that right at the end, it almost feels like a bit like a centerpiece with the drop tower.
In the entrance of the park, there are options of locker rentals, which the price is actually really good. It's like €2 for the whole day and they're big.
Yeah, I mean, I was quite surprised when I saw it say €2.
Yeah.
And then I just assumed it for 1 hour, but no, whole day. €2.
So, but you don't actually need one, like for the rides, unless you actually want a locker in the entrance, because every ride here, you can leave your bags on the station.
Mike, sit down.
Bye. So we're going together on this today because we're doing a test. We want to see how our time going together will compare to everyone else going separately.
I love Blitz Bahn so much.
Oh, it's amazing.
The first time we've ridden it together. Like,
yeah, because we're always competing. But here we go. So let's see if we're going to be faster than the group. We came in last.
Yes.
So it means that I lost again.
Yes. Let's go to the fun house. To Two's Express. But Two's is the mascot of Toverland, and this is her train. Occasionally she does ride it with people.
This is a cool transition between one indoor area and the other. So yeah, we're doing our favorite kiddie coaster now.
Two's Express has a really good overbank.
I'm actually really excited to ride it again.
Ready? 3, 2.
just did Merlin Quest, which is a boat ride with an indoor section. That is really good. It kind of feels like a dark ride at some point.
Yeah, I think it is a dark ride. When people say Toverland needs a dark ride, this is in my opinion, their first attempt at a dark ride. So you can see what they're going to do. They can do so much with a dark ride. I trust them.
The teaming is so well done. You can tell how much they pay attention to the details and is in this amazing area of Avalon. So on the outdoor area, you can have all these views of Phoenix, of the new flat rides, Pixaros, and all the teaming that they add. And on the indoor part, is so well teamed, everything. But I would love to see them doing like a proper dark ride, because with that amount of effort that they put on a boat ride and like in the whole area, I think a whole dark ride would be amazing.
Yeah, I think I love it. I think it makes me very sleepy though. That's the only problem. It's so relaxing. It can send me to sleep at times.
Right. I had to come to the car to get something, and it's just after 4. I can see all the buses leaving now. It's just like we said the other day. After 4, all the buses are leaving. Today is pretty busy. It's not like the other day. The other day was very quiet. Today it's not. So it's pretty good to see the buses leaving. And today the park is open until 7. So we have about like 3 more hours of the park opening. So we're just going to keep lapping Troy. We went on Troy earlier and he had like a queue. It wasn't that bad, but we're hoping for now the queue is starting to drop down. This is Toverland for us. And I have a new cup for Toverland that Marco just gave me. Merchandise here is good. They have like the new shirts that are really nice.
Yeah, there was a few t-shirts that I really liked.
We just had like these 2 visits to Toverland, one last week, one today.
We've been exactly 1 week apart. And the weather's completely different today, so it was a really nice sunny day. It was a bit busier today, but the park was open until 7, and then it died down a lot in the afternoon. Lapping Troy to finish the day is always a good way to end any day at Toverland.
We pretty much did the same things yesterday and last time we were here, because it's pretty manageable to do the whole park on one visit here. One thing that it's nice here, if it's rainy, there is the indoor parts of the park that you will have always something to do. We're doing this as a part of the Coaster Breaks tour. We did one last week, now we're doing the second. So tomorrow we're going to Wallaby Holland. Make sure to subscribe to watch this video next.